student, here Ganpat Seju. Welcome to you on GK with GS YouTube channel. Today we will discussion on class 8th board examination social science model paper, so that it is based on your board examination. Totally question are in English medium level class 8th. So we were discussion. Let's begin start. Who was the author of the book History of British India? So you take this answer. Given this answer, who wrote this book History of British India? Your option: Lord Curzon, James Runnel, James Mill, and Dalhousie. So this answer is correct. Is James Mill. So James Mill wrote History of British India. Your next question is: the Nile rebellions took place in. So we are discussion all जो question not possible. So I only read important question. So we are collecting and you will write answer in comment box. Next question is: who was the last Mughal emperor? Write your answer in comment box. Aurangzeb, Jahangir, Bahadur Shah Zafar, and Shahjahan. Where was the first cotton textile mill established in India? Whose textile mill first time established in India? To when? So all facts are remember you. Who found the Arya Samaj? So who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Swami Vivekanand, Periyar, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So which is the correct of this options? Which of the following is not a factor is in soil formation? Which factor is not related to soil formation? Soil formation, time, organic matter, none of these. Write any two reasons for land degradation. Here say you only two reasons for a land degradation. So I suggest you all over reason you remember should be remember. What is a public interest litigation? The public interest litigation is a definition. What is definition? So you will write only a definition for a public interest litigation. How many type of mineral are there? So how many type mineral? Name two countries endowed with nature gains resources. So which countries are fully used natural gains? So these name write by you. Name the factor which affect agriculture. What is meant by the word industry? Industry means what is life expectancy? Life expectancy. What is life expectancy? So you should detailed answer of this question Short answer question is 5 to 10 and 11 to 15 number questions are given only 4 or 5, 4 and 5 lines. What is the difference between immigrant and immigrant? What are the three organs of government? Government three organs. To write by you. Here I discussion only a questions because we were not possible. We were impossible because video limitation is very high, so I can't overall discussion of this paper. I say only important question to you. Why are fundamental rights necessary for citizen? Fundamental right, why are necessary for all our Indians or all our citizens? What things have been kept in mind to make India a secular state? Whose things kept on your mind? So write them. If you don't subscribe my channel, so I request you first of all subscribe my channel and like this video and share to all your friends. What is the difference between state legislative assembly and parliament, Lok Sabha? Both are how is communicate both legislative assembly and parliament. To write a difference between these. What do you understand by the term marginalization? Write 2 or 3 sentences in your own word. Marginalization. What is meant by colonization? Colonization. What is colonization? What I mean of this? What are the problem in the way James Mill has divided Indian history into period? So first question is the James Mill's books. About the James Mill's book. James Mill describe a Indian historical period in 3 types. So what a problem? What are the problem in the way? So write UA on what issue were there dispute between the Nawab of Bengal and East India Company. So what was the dispute? How did the East India Company benefit getting Diwani? So what is the reason and what is the factor so that beneficial to East India Company through Diwani? Why did the East India Company consider Tipu Sultan a threat? So Tipu Sultan is a tiger of Mysore, also called a tiger of Mysore. So Tipu Sultan and East India Company, why are they called threat by the East India Company to Tipu Sultan? Or you should write only a question, both them. Why are they Rayot saying away from indigo cultivation? How did the British change their policies as a result of the rebellion of 1857? 1857 rebellion is a first Indian Independence Day war is also called. What are they? What were the reason people had not sending girls to school? So what were reason? Why are not? Why were not sending to school of girl two girls? Different between of the following. What is the difference in a metallic and a non-metallic mineral? Subsistence agriculture and intensive agriculture. So you should write only A type question. So you remember A easily and write A easily. Mark any 4 places on the map of India. Only 4 places marks. Delhi, Kolkata in West Bengal. Delhi is our national capital. Surat in Gujarat. Bhopal in MP. Jaipur in Rajasthan. Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar. Lakshadweep situated in at west side of India, and Andaman Nicobar is situated at east side of India. So I will completely discussion with you English medium this paper of social science. Write your comment, subscribe this channel, like this video and share with your friend. Thank you. We will coming soon. Thanks.